Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on Redmi 14C. To manage app permissions, go to Settings, and then go to Apps, which are here, then Manage Apps and choose an app you want to manage. Then click on App Permissions, and here are the permissions that are allowed and not allowed, and you can change them for different apps. So let's choose, for example, Google Chrome, then App Permissions, and here you can choose on something that's allowed or something that's not allowed. Click on it, then you can disable it like that. Let's, for example, enable camera. And now the camera has been moved to allowed app permissions. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.